I just dragged my tree that I had in my living room to my bedroom, y'all. And it looks so good in this corner. Now, it can't stay in here because it sets my living room off. But I feel like we're going to have to go on another little shopping adventure to find something for this corner because it's really bringing the room together. Look, y'all. Look how cute that is. That spot has been empty. Look how cute that looks. It really does bring the room together. Y'all see where I'm going with this? Like, girl, there was something missing. Now, we're not going today to find something for this spot right here, but that looks so cute to me. Like, if I had another thing to go in my living room, I would leave that right there because it's really bringing the room together. What do y'all think about it? I don't know what I want to put right there, but obviously we ain't gonna get that backyard done because I can't find a darn rug to tie in the backyard yet. But in the meantime, we gonna find us a little project to do in the bedroom, y'all. I don't want any pictures in here yet though. I can't see a picture in here yet, but I like the little details like this. So a project coming soon. It ain't happening today though. It ain't happening today. So next time y'all see me, we be going to the store and looking for us a little accent for this area right here. Yeah, but let's drag our tree back into the living room because girl. So that was last week, y'all. And I was like, I really want to get this bedroom together because that tree was doing this thing up in there, but it can't stay. It can't stay because that is the living room's tree. And then I was like, you know what? We can go to IKEA today and get some inspiration because I need some inspiration, y'all. I really need to look at IKEA's rooms because, you know, they can make any room look good and kind of see what goes in corners. I don't know, y'all, but we're going to find out today, are we? And we are. Also, we are going to IKEA and I think, you know what? We're just going to go ahead and just give them our money. Last time I seen the rug, and fingers crossed that they still have their rug, y'all, but it was like $80 for a circle rug and I can't find one. So maybe, just maybe today, we will get a circle rug for the back porch. Fingers crossed they still have it, y'all. Fingers crossed that when we go, it's on sale now and it's not $80 because why are we paying $80 for a rug that goes outside? They just don't sit right with me. It don't, y'all, it don't. But regardless, we are finna go to IKEA and get some inspiration. Maybe we'll find something we can buy there and bring home and make everything look all cute. I don't know, but we going to look regardless. So let's grab some snacks so we can take a ride because it take almost an hour to get to IKEA, y'all. Like, how come I don't live close to nothing? I don't know. So we about to grab us a little Quest snacks, grab our protein coffee, and I'm gonna meet y'all in the car. What snacks do y'all want? Grab y'all little Quest snack and come on. Ooh, I gotta show y'all this one, y'all. I found a new Quest chip, the spicy queso flavor, 18 grams of protein, 4 net carbs. So good. And you know what? When I first tried it, I tried one chip and I was like, oh, this is plain. That chip just didn't have no seasoning on it. I ate the rest of the bag and I was like, are these protein chips? Because they tasted kind of regular. I love that for me. I do. And we gonna grab us a little chocolate cookie because we always do. Y'all grab what y'all want. But yeah, we got us a new protein chip that we love and I can't wait to buy more. Hopefully they don't get rid of it because you know, sometimes when you buy stuff and you love it, they always get rid of it. So fingers crossed this is just one that they keep in rotation because girl, I'm be taking away our snacks. We are limited. Oh, don't let me forget to tell y'all, I went to my P.O. box and I got a birthday card from Miss Angie. She is so sweet. Thank you so much. Let me show y'all how cute it is. I just don't know how good I be feeling when I get stuff from y'all. Like, I'm just so grateful to have y'all. But let me show y'all the cute card. Look at this. Number one is pink. Y'all already know it's my favorite color. And then it says, for your birthday, a dozen rosés. Look at the wine. How cute is this? Thank you so much, Miss Angie. This just made my day. I'm just like, anytime I receive something from y'all, I'm just like, I love y'all so much. Thank y'all so much for thinking of me. Like, I love y'all. Y'all are my real family. Y'all are. Don't act like y'all not. Don't act like y'all not because y'all are. I love y'all. It's so cute though. I'm definitely gonna keep all of this. I actually bought a shadow box. It's coming today from Amazon. So all of my little gift receipts I got from the Amazon wish list and all of my cards and things I got from y'all, I'm gonna put it in the shadow box. But y'all make me feel so special every day and I really appreciate y'all so much for that. Thank you. We gotta go to the store, y'all. We can't be leaving too late. Today it's only 12:50 when we leaving, so I feel real good about it. When we get home, guess what? We might have us a parking spot, y'all. We might have us a parking spot. I'll meet y'all in the car. Y'all, we made it to IKEA. Now we coming in here for a rug. We don't need anything else, no little knickknacks or nothing, y'all. We need that rug, and we need it to be half price today. Please let it be half price. A $40 rug gonna make me so happy. But we might have to get the $80 rug if they have it in here. Because I've been looking, y'all. I ain't seen nothing I liked. I ain't brought stuff home that didn't work. Like, today is the day that we get the rug for the back porch. Because once we get the rug for the back porch, that means we can start adding everything else to it. Like, dang. But even if we can't, we want to get something cute for our little corner in the bedroom. That'll be so nice. Like, girl, get your bedroom look like a little retreat or something. I don't know, y'all. I don't know what it's gonna look like, but I just think that it will kind of make everything come together with something in that little corner. So we're gonna get some inspiration up here in IKEA. Anyway, y'all ready to go? Did y'all grab y'all snacks? Because we might be in here for a while. Anyway, I'll meet y'all inside.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow.
Y'all, we starting upstairs for inspiration, and then we gonna come downstairs and get that darn rug. Hopefully, if it's still here.
Maybe it's something in the water.
We just gonna take a look through all of the bedrooms, y'all. We gotta get some kind of inspiration, and maybe they'll have something we can buy too. I don't know. Oh, this room looking a mess. Who messed up the sheets? They don't have a corner in here, except for this one. They got this little corner. Maybe we can put like a chair in the corner. Is our corner big enough for a chair? I don't want my chair to be that short though, but it is cute. I was thinking about a chair. I was thinking about a mirror, but y'all said do not put mirrors in front of your bed, so I'm not doing that. I was thinking about another tree. I don't know. Well, that's the living room. We're not going through the living rooms, y'all. We only going through the bedrooms. And we ain't going through the kitchens because we don't need to add nothing else. Now that I'm thinking about it, maybe we should go through the living rooms too, because maybe we'll see something in a corner that's in the living room that'll also be cute in the bedroom. Let me see. That could be a good idea, y'all. Oh, here go a whole house. 586 square feet. Let's see what they got going on. I love IKEA because it gives you good ideas for small spaces. Oh, this bedroom ain't looking promising. Look at them. They got a tree too, y'all. See the tree? The tree be going in the corner so good. It do. This is like a little kid's bedroom though. But the tree be doing it. Y'all don't have any other ideas? Anyway, we moving on, y'all. That wasn't much inspiration at all. I hope they have a lot of rooms that are already decorated. These look like they have been played with already. I know this is a living room, but I just want to point out the trees. Everybody always put the trees in the corners, right? They do. If all else fails, I will just get another tree for that corner. The tree's gonna work. Good old TikTok shop tree. Oh, here go another house. They got another tree. The tree always a hit. They don't have a bedroom in here though. Since they don't have a bedroom, we're gonna keep it moving. I hope we're not moving out of the area where they have all the displays at. Darn it. Don't disappoint us, IKEA. We need your help. Now, I know I probably won't put this over there, but a light. I didn't even think about a light in the corner. So this is like the living room they have right here. They have a living room. Maybe I can put a light in the corner. Will I use the light? No, I'm not going to use the light. I want it for decoration, but like something needs to be there. I feel like a tree. It's giving tree, but we can think about a mirror, maybe a tree, and something else. I don't know yet. And a light, of course, but I don't know. I don't know which one look better. When I was first decorating, somebody was telling me about like a ladder or something. I forgot what it's called, but I think I had seen one where you could put like the blankets and stuff on it. I don't know. Y'all. I don't know where to get it. I don't know how to decorate it, so that could go there, but I don't even know what it's called to even search for. A ladder? I don't want no ladder. It's like something else. Anyway, we're still looking. Dang, we're coming out of the bedroom and living room areas. We're in the kitchen now. I thought they had more inspiration over here at IKEA. Darn it. We need inspiration, not just one or two areas. What happened? Hopefully we don't have to walk downstairs and come up with our own inspiration. We don't want to do it. We don't want to do it. Speaking of inspiration, look at this. Look at this wall of leaves right here. That would be so cute as a backyard. I know I don't have a wall. I have a building, but still. They even have lights on their leaves, y'all. Let's look at it closely. So creative. Look at that. How cute is that? I love that. I even like their little table right here. Now, how come I didn't think of that? I could have had me like a little table outside so I can like be drinking my iced coffee in the morning when it's not summertime. Because you know, right now I can't even go outside. It's too hot. It's like 90 degrees as soon as I wake up. So that's out. But anyway, that's not what we came here for. But Good inspiration on the back porch. If I could just, you know, make a wall somewhere. Hold on, we found another bedroom. Oh, I like that lamp, y'all. I like that lamp. We found us another door and bedroom. So this is good inspiration right here. I actually like this lamp. And I could see that in the corner. What do y'all think? Cute, huh? I like the way it is at the bottom. I love that. Do I want to spend $80? No, I couldn't. But I'm sure Amazon has a dupe, right? Amazon should have a dupe for this. That's cute for the corner. Even though I know this is like a living room, I still like it. You know, I still like it. At least we ran into another bedroom, y'all, because all they had was kitchens to look at. And girl, we don't need no inspiration for the kitchen. The kitchen is done. This is as done as it's gonna get. Hopefully I have another bedroom, y'all, because we're done with this one. They got this big plant right here. Y'all think this plant will work? Let's see how much it costs. I can tell you if it'll work by the price of it. Girl, $99? No, no, no. That's not the inspiration we looking for. Maybe I could put a plant there instead of a tree. I don't know, I ain't seen no plant that I liked. What else they got, y'all? I think we're in the office areas now. Oh, Lord, y'all. When I buy my dream home, I will have a whole room as a closet, unless it already comes with a big closet. You did not come in here to look at closets, I know, but every time I see this one, I'm just like, I deserve this. I deserve an area like this. And we'll get it, we sure will, but we're moving on because we didn't come here for that. Oh, we may have hit the jackpot, y'all. Not on the ideas, but I didn't know they had more bedrooms to look at. Here's one. They don't have much in here though, so this ain't gonna be helpful, but at least we know we got more options. We gotta keep it moving. Oh, here go one in front of us. What does this have? They have another little plant, so no. The light is growing on me. The idea of the light I didn't even think about, y'all, but I don't know. We're gonna have to put that on the list. A light, a tree, a mirror, and whatever else I said. Also a basket. I could put a basket there, but what I put in the basket? Like some blankets? I feel like that's living room. I don't know. I just feel like that'd be living room or something. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. A chair? You think I could fit a chair there? Would that be too cluttered? I think when I moved out in my first apartment, I had a chair in the corner. It was so cute to me, but I don't know if I have enough room for that. Unless we find a chair that we like. Oh, they have a whole house right here we have to look through, y'all. Yeah. Give us some inspiration in the whole house. We don't need a whole house inspiration, but maybe they have like some ideas. Not they have a real address. Okay, they're already giving corner ideas. Y'all see that? I wish I had a porch that was big like this. Big enough to put like a little seating area. That's so cute to me. Okay, y'all, I found another bedroom. And I don't see anything but plants and lights. I do see a chair with the light, so that might be a good idea. Not this light, but I see what they doing. I see what they doing with this. This is kind of a good idea. Just not the design. I don't like the way it look. I just like the idea. Do they have any other rooms? Not in the bathroom. Let's come out of here. What other rooms do y'all have? We need bedrooms. We found another bedroom. It might be too small for inspiration though. Oh, they have a chair, y'all. They have a chair. The inspiration may be a chair, huh? I'm feeling like we're gonna have to put a chair. If it's big enough, we may put a chair in that corner. I don't know. It sounds like a good idea to me. With like some little decorative pillows. Dang, I should have took a picture of that area, y'all. I can't remember how big the area is. Now it's about to go start looking for a chair for that area. We might be. You know what? I think that's all the bedrooms. They have a backyard idea that we can look at. I know our backyard ain't this big, but we can still look. Oh, they have a grill and everything. I like their lights. I'm pretty sure they sell this. I'm pretty sure they do. But I like the way they have the flowers on this little, I don't even know what to call it, y'all. Y'all see it. I like the way they have that on there. And it's also matching the table. Also, these little things. I didn't even think about this. I know I can't grow anything, but still, aren't those cute? These are cute. I like that. I need a big back porch. I don't, but this is super cute. With the hanging flowers, okay. We didn't even come in here for inspiration for the backyard, and we got it anyway. If there are any more bedrooms, I'm gonna show y'all, but so far, it looks like we coming out of here. We going downstairs to get what we really came in here for, and hopefully they have it. Oh, not yet. They have more bedrooms. This is a kid's room. Yeah, he ain't got no ideas in there. Now we just doing kids' rooms. Oh, what is this? This might be a little idea, a little table or something. I don't know if I want a table beside the drawer. You know, the drawers, that ain't gonna look right. That ain't gonna look right. That ain't a good idea. Oh, here go another bedroom. What do we have here? It's not even big enough to put anything in a corner. What? But that's out. I think this is the bedroom area though, y'all, because it looks like every time I move up a couple of steps, there's some more bedroom ideas. I like their corner they have right here. Now all they put was this little thing on here, but what's really helping it out is these darn curtains. That's cute. That's cute how they did that. We're moving on. We're moving on, y'all. Is this a closet? I done ran into a dream closet, y'all. Look at this. I love the little I don't even know what to call it, y'all. The little thing in the middle. What do y'all call that? I love this. I do. I don't like the colors, but I like the idea of it all. Like, yes, give me a whole room as a closet, please. I love that. With a mirror. Y'all couldn't keep me out of that closet or keep me from putting stuff in that closet. Not you trying to fill it up. I am. Yes, I am. Okay, let's come out the closet, y'all. Let's go find another bedroom. We need an inspiration for the corner of a bedroom. That's all. Now we're over here where like the I'm gonna say closets are, like the ones that you can just add to a room. Yeah. And now we about to be in the kids area, y'all. I think we done seen all the inspiration they got. Now we got to go downstairs. I'm gonna meet y'all downstairs. We don't normally take the stairs. We normally take the elevator, but you know what? We turned up a new leaf. We gonna need a buggy just in case our rug is here. One thing about the IKEA buggies, they get away from you. Look at this, y'all. It's just, it's a mess. It goes everywhere. This is me just pushing it straight, right? But them wheels, it seems like they be going in circles. We going to the rug area. We're not here to shop. We're here to get a rug and leave. We made it over here to the rug area. Where's the circle one? And let it be on sale. Y'all, I feel so disappointed. I should just bought it when I seen it. Do I see a circle rug? No, not one. Not even one, y'all. Is this it? No, it's not. Yeah, I'm so disappointed. This was the only place that had the right color circle rug. It was just a little expensive at the time, and now they don't even have it. Girl, you should have grabbed it when you seen it, at least to see if it worked. I'm gonna keep looking, and fingers crossed I'm overlooking it, but dang it. Now what are we gonna do? By the time we find that rug, we need to move. Yeah, I'm lying. I love my apartment. We ain't gonna move for a while. I love this one. You think mama can cut this one into a circle? This is the color I want right here. We don't want a project. We want it to already be a circle, but that is the perfect color. It's just not the right shape, so that sucks for me, but and it's $100. I would have still bought it if it was a circle at this point, but nope. 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 Y'all, I didn't double check. There is not even a circle rug. Like, what? You know what? I think we're just gonna have to decorate the back porch without a rug, and I'm sad about it. I am. But anyway, at least we came in here and thought about a chair in that corner. A chair could work. We're gonna have to go to another store and look for a chair though. I'll meet y'all back in the car. Y'all, we back in the car. Where do y'all be getting y'all inspiration from when y'all trying to decorate y'all house? Don't say Pinterest either, y'all, because I can't keep my focus. When I'm on my phone and I'm looking through Pinterest, if I get a notification, I done moved on, y'all. I can't focus on Pinterest. Even though I love Pinterest, it's just too many distractions on my phone. But what do y'all be looking for inspiration when y'all decorating? Or y'all just got a keen eye? I ain't got a keen eye, y'all. I have to see it somewhere and be like, I'm gonna do that. You know, it just don't come from here. But anyway, y'all, we tried. We did try. And also, where's our darn rug? Where's our darn rug at, y'all? Dang! I just knew we were getting the rug today. I knew it. But we just gonna have to move on without the rug. Because it just ain't here. They ain't got now. But thank y'all so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, hype. And also hit the notification bell so you know every time I post. I love y'all so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.
Even the house, sometime before 3, Spark loaded me
We have
up.
to have one dirt road per day at
No
least.
dirt
We have
road
to.
streets. She gon' get 7 minutes. Find a deal on a cruise. Take a solo trip to Bali. She'll show you that too. Like. Share. Got the good job.
I'll meet y'all
I'll
over there.
meet you over there.